Hello and welcome back to my channel. Teal here with a mini Artsnacks unboxing series, and here is number 3. Okay, more Smarties. Fine. These are the bigger Smarties? Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to look at the paper. And this time we're going to do the sticker first, no matter how exciting it is. Oh, okay, well, here's the sticker, if I can hold it. It's got some patterns here. I'm a little bit nervous about this one. Okay. Sennelier, which is a really nice brand. 3D liner in turquoise. Okay. Art Crayon by Marabu. Alright, well, it's green. Can you tell I'm, oh, it's called Apple. Can you tell I'm a little bit nervous about this? We've got a Tombow Homo-Graphic B pencil, not sharpened like the other ones. Let's sharpen that real quick. Bam. And a paintbrush, which I don't know if it's supposed to be shaped like this. Premium 10 Original Gold. Oh, from Kingart again. This is called a shader. Again, I really don't think it's supposed to be shaped like this. Alright, so we'll start with the 3D liner. This feels like fabric paint. Oh, okay. Yep, I feel fabric painty. I don't know if I'll be using this in the way that they intend, but we'll see. Okay, it's a pretty color. Yo, these art supplies are terrifying to me. These are like mixed media style. Alright, let's see what this crayon looks like. Ooh, it's real smooth and chunky. It's water soluble, so let's do what it does with the paintbrush. Paintbrush is very stiff. It does a nice like blend, I guess. You kind of have to like really work it. Yep, okay. And the Tombow pencil. I like how smooth it is. It feels buttery. Yeah, I like that. Very nice. Okay, cool. Stay tuned for what we'll make with these terrifying art supplies. Alright, y'all. We got one more box. Well, I don't know how many more it is for you, but this is definitely the scariest box for me because it's got the most strange art supplies, like in my opinion. I think I'm going to cut this paper in half. To make this experience a little bit less scary. Alright, what can we do? What can we do? We've got turquoise and green and a paintbrush and a pencil. What are some green things? Yeah, I'm really stuck. Maybe we can do something like this design and just do like get kind of abstract with it. I don't do abstract, but I think we're gonna have to do some abstract today. And just kind of see what happens. All right, I'm thinking like bold lines, kind of like on the sticker. I just want to say I'm not enjoying this. I don't know, you people out there that do abstract art, how do you abstract? Okay, well I guess that's fine. I think I want to use the paintbrush to like even out the shape. Like that. Okay. One abstract element down. I wonder what it would look like if I did like have this going through the breaks. I mean, that's fine, I guess. I don't I'm just going to use the pencil now to make like random little doodly bits. I mean, it's cute. I think another problem that I'm having are the colors. These are not colors that I would use. This is not a green that I like. And I'm not a big fan of turquoise. You would think I am because it's my name, but, well, my name's not turquoise, it's teal, but, you know, they're very similar in color. I wonder what would happen if I kind of like smooth this out too. Okay, well, it's not very smooth. This paint is really opaque though, which is kind of cool. What is it? Is it acrylic? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, guys. This is weird. I feel like this section right here needs like maybe the beginning of another green bit and then like the little lines to go with it. Sorry if you hear that sound. That's my cat in a box with my fake plants that I use for taking Instagram pictures. What happens if you mix them together? Like, what if I put a dot here? And then maybe a dot on this one and this one. And like drag the dot out? What will happen? Not much. It kind of sucks too because these two colors are pretty similar in value. So they don't have like, there's not much contrast to them. Like, let me see, let's see if we had this in black and white. Yeah, see, look, they're almost the same tone. Crazy. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave it at that. Let's do a nice peel. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and for getting through this struggle with me. See you next time.